Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we got a very simple email from a wonderful community member named Pamela. And Pamela writes, "Hello and thank you for this opportunity." You're welcome. "I would love to recreate this piece but am not certain how to do it." Well, Pamela, I took a look at this piece and it's absolutely stunning. I would figure that something like this, created to this exact specifications, would probably run upwards of $600 to $800 a centerpiece. It has a steel frame and it has lots of electrical wiring to it. So what I tried to do is I tried to create a centerpiece that would give you the same feel on a DIY budget, and one that you could actually enlarge if you chose to. So, this week we are creating our tall chandelier lamp centerpiece. All right, let's get to it. Our first step is to create our frame for our centerpiece. I'm going to be using two different size dowels. One's a 36-inch dowel that I cut in half, and the other is a 12-inch dowel that I'm going to cut down to 6 inches. I'm going to pre-place my holes in my foam. These are two green pot inserts that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to use two 3-inch foam discs that I purchased at my local hobby store. I'm showing you that after you embellish your wooden dowels as well as your foam with whatever glitter or paint you would like to use, then you're going to use the hot glue and insert them into the pre-placed holes. We're going to complete our frame by adding our two 3-inch foam discs into either side of our planter. The planter, again, was purchased at the Dollar Tree, and don't worry guys, I have all the links to the supplies in the description below. In addition, we're going to go ahead and attach our battery operated lights. This is very important. You're going to want to make sure that you don't glue down the side with the switch, the on-off switch. Trust me, I've done it before. So please make sure you do not glue down the side with the on and off switch. And then I'm going to simply anchor, I'm going to loop them and anchor one side using a floral pin to one of the foam circle inserts, and I'm going to anchor the other side to the opposite foam insert. If you would like to make sure that it stays, I would add a little bit of hot glue to the ends of my floral pins before I inserted it into the foam disc. Now that my frame is all done, I'm going to take it back apart and go ahead and embellish each of the individual pieces. Don't worry if it's a little bit wobbly, because a little bit later I'm going to show you how to make it nice and stable. Now that you have all of your pieces embellished, oh, and let me remind you, for the glitter, go ahead and hit it with a spray of acrylic gloss to set your glitter. a whole lot less if it'll fall off. Now we're ready to put it back together. Now I'm going to show you how to create our weighted feet for our centerpiece. I'm simply going to take apart this Dollar Tree balloon weight that I purchased from there, and I'm going to, it's just a concrete block. So if you want to create your own concrete block, go for it. I just decided to do it from Dollar Tree because it's $1. We're going to go ahead and wrap some trim around it, and then I simply cut out some white construction paper to go ahead and put a piece of white construction paper on the top and a piece on the bottom, because as you can see, the little concrete pieces like to kind of fly off, and you don't want that all on your table. That wouldn't be cute. All right, so go ahead and create your weighted feet. Now we're ready to simply add our concrete feet to the bottom of our centerpiece using hot glue. So our final step is to create our draping. I'm just using some simple, inexpensive beads in silver and black just to go with the same theme of our inspiration picture. Adding a dab of hot glue. I usually only do about a ½ inch of hot glue at a time, and I'm going to keep my strands at about 12 inches so that it gives me enough space to cut and make a design at the end of our project. All right, let's go ahead and create our own trim. Now the pattern is completely up to you. Be creative, guys. This centerpiece allows you to make the plan really your own. You can change the color, you can change the texture, you can make it gem garland. Go for it. Trust yourself. Be creative. So next you have an option. You can go ahead and attach your garland to the outside of your lamp base like I've done here, or you can attach it to the inside rim. It's really your preference. The final option you have is to cut your garland or keep it all one length. It is completely up to you. Well, Pamela, I hope we gave you inspiration in how to create a centerpiece that gives you the same feel as an elegant inspiration picture. I hope we met your vision and gave you a plan that you can work with. I wanted to make a quick suggestion. I draped my lights because I wanted them to look like the embers from the candle were going up into the centerpiece. So I kind of hope you guys got that. These lights, the candles, were all purchased from the Dollar Tree, and don't worry, I have the link in the description below. Speaking of that, if you would like to know when we post our projects, when we have special coupon offers, special membership offers, our blog posts, head on down to the description below. Just click on that little upside down triangle or the arrow, and it'll bring you to the description where you can sign up for our newsletter. You don't want to miss out, and we definitely don't want you to miss out because we will be having another super chat very soon. So go ahead and sign up for our exclusive newsletter. Also, you will find links to Ebates. We are all about saving money, and Ebates allows you to make money while you spend money. I mean, what better way could it be? In addition to that, you have links to our website, and you can follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. If you like this video, by all means like us and send us your comments. We love the feedback. It just inspires us to push ourselves even further. And your words of encouragement are just priceless. They're absolutely priceless. If we can help you with the project, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com. Click on the project request tab and follow the very easy steps. Do it soon, guys, because our production schedule fills up fast. Well, we have some awesome blog posts. I'm doing a little bit of a question and answer for our people who are actually wedding planners, and several of you have contacted us because you're starting off your new business. So we want to give you the tips and things we've learned over the years. So again, we are here to serve you. We absolutely so appreciate you joining us this week. We know that you have many, many options to choose from. So we are very grateful that you choose to spend your time with us. So with that said, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.